I don't think that they handled the reopening well.
For the new school year, I plan on going in because of the curriculum that I have. I go to an art school, so my art is built into my schedule, and I feel like online wouldn't be as beneficial for me if I'm doing art, if I'm doing ceramics or any of that.
I'm having a hard time teaching online. I'm struggling to reach the kids. I'm struggling. I feel like they're not gaining much. And I feel like I need to be in a classroom to be able to demonstrate and show and teach the different types of learners.
It's only gonna last so long before we start closing again or we start going full online. There's just too much of a risk factor. Even if you do all the precautions, even if you do all those social distancing techniques, and even if you take temperature checks, wash your hands, all of that, someone somehow is going to get sick.
My biggest concern is people getting sick. If you contract the virus, you wouldn't know for weeks or like a week. So you might pass that on to somebody else and you wouldn't know until symptoms start to show up.
The school district kind of put out a thing that would be the most beneficial, or I guess as much as it could benefit a lot of the students who have different needs.
There's too many complications behind it because there's no one system for everybody. I think the governor's going to say, that's it, everybody stay home for at least the first few months of school.
Face-to-face learning definitely has its benefits. Personally, I'm more of a face-to-face learner. I'm better when someone is actually there teaching me rather than online. With online, you can kind of zone out. You don't have as much motivation as you do when the teacher's right there or the lesson is right in front of you.
I do suffer from lung disease. So I do worry that if a child who's not showing any symptoms comes in and I could get sick, I could be out of work for quite some time, or it could be spread, easily to other students.
I plan on staying online because it's safer and there's lower risk of any of my family or me getting sick.
I don't think it's going to work. There's a lot of teachers who are also parents whose students do go to school, and their schools are opting out for different plans. For example, my kids right now, they're slated as of last week to go full time. But option 2 will be a hybrid. Option 3 will be online learning. It could change at any given time. And then what do I do when they're home?